Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about diversity Comissars, diversity Stasi, diversity... What? Gestapo. Yeah, from Boundary to Comics. Activision Blizzard settles US Equal Employment Opportunity Commission lawsuit, agrees to establish an 18 million victims fund. So basically, if you meet to a guy with no evidence whatsoever, just because you dislike him, now you get the money. Shit, it's hot. Coffee, dudes. Anyway, Activision Blizzard has agreed to settle the discrimination lawsuit filed against them by the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Well, what a mouthful. By establishing an 18 million victims fund to compensate and make amends. Oh, guys. It's a man's world, but let's make it a girl's world, okay? The EEOC lawsuit against Activision Blizzard was first revealed by the Wall Street Journal, who on September 20th reported that the EEOC has been examining allegations of gender-based harassment at Activision since at least May 2020. However, just 8 days later... 8 days later... Activision Blizzard has now announced that the company has reached an agreement with the EEOC to settle claims to further strengthen policies and programs to prevent sexual harassment, panda. And discrimination in the company's workplace. For fuck's sake, out of this, because they... No, really, some of them seem to be actual legit concerns, mixed with a lot of fucking nonsensical bullshit. There's one in there because they mentioned a guy because he showed up in the picture in one single photo. They went on a killing spree inside the company, eliminated every single thing from all of their fucking games that even came close to resonating to the actual developer name. All because of that. That's what they called a storm in a teacup. Feeling where you eat. Biting the hand that feeds you. And things like that. Where was I? Alright. As noted in the settlement decree itself, Activision Blizzard employees will also now be required to attend a number of mandatory training Nixon, program Nixon, regard Nixon, non-discrimination Nixon, anti-harassment Nixon, anti-retaliation Nixon, and related subject Nixon, including implicit Nixon, bias Nixon, bystander Nixon, intervention Nixon, equity Nixon, and diversity Nixon, and inclusive Nixon, leadership Nixon, training Nixon. Remember, you need to replace or add an X to every single word on the sentence. Otherwise, you're a bigot. Are you a bigot? Are you a bigot? We must know. Are you a bigot? No? I thought so. So now you need to add an X on every single word of your goddamn fucking sentence. Otherwise, you're gonna be a bigot. And we can't have that. Especially with the new diversity training, which is going to give a lot of money to the HR department and other race grifters, other sex grifters that they may eventually hire to do all of those things. You, a male, you cannot look at a female like that. You're a hot male, you can. You ugly male, you cannot. As noted in the settlement decree itself, Activision Blizzard employees will also... Oh, wait. I already read that. Cheat! Yeah, dude! In a statement provided alongside the settlement announcement, Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick asserted, there is no place anywhere in our company for discrimination, harassment, and unequal treatment of any kind. And I'm grateful to the employees who bravely share their experience. Jesus Christ, Activision Blizzard has been pretty much a disaster for years. Well, for a point, I can't even play World of Warcraft anymore because of how bad it is. Wanna know how bad it is? See over here. See that box over there? That's exactly the last goddamn Activision Blizzard game I've ever bought. I'm not counting Destiny 2 because that came for free when I replaced my graphics card. Otherwise, that's the last one. Because every single game that I have made has been shit. And World of Warcraft has gone down to shit. When I saw Pandaria, I said, you know what? No, fuck that. And I've been pretty much right ever since. It has been shit. The graphics, well, I think the best expansion that World of Warcraft has ever had, in my humble opinion, is this one. Yeah. The Wrath of the Lich King. That is still World of Warcraft's best expansion. The music, the art was impeccable. The quests were actually an improvement from the cookie cutter wall of text that I didn't even bother to read. Quests. They were definitely much better. They also had a lot of other improvements as well. Instancing and things like that. But after that, it went down the shit. And I'm pretty sure that this is not going to make any of their games any better. Going through all of this. That's what happens when you hire diversity hires. Looking at you. Quack, quack. Stand still. Wait, what is that? It's already the end. Further though, the lawsuit filed against them by EEOC has now been resolved. Activision Blizzard continues to face similar lawsuits from both California Department of Fair Employment and Housing and their own employees. What a surprise! Oh, not a bombshell! Thank you, Jeremy Clarkson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button if you want more of my beautiful face brightening your day when you take a dump, or night when you're taking your dump, wherever you are in the world. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great fucking night.